Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make miso cookies. Miso is fermented soybean paste normally used in cooking, and today I'm adding some miso to cookies. Miso is very salty. By adding a little bit of miso, it creates slight saltiness just like salty caramel and makes the cookies very addictive. It's great for snack, but because it's slightly salty, not just sweet, it goes really well with beer or wine too. Very easy to make. Let's get started. These are what you need. 100 gram all-purpose flour, 40 gram sugar, 50 gram butter, and 20 gram miso. So here, I have butter and miso, both room temperature, in a large bowl. Let's mix it until it becomes mayonnaise-like texture. Nice and creamy. Let's add sugar and keep mixing until it becomes fluffy and airy. Like this. And you don't need hand mixer anymore. Sift flour into the bowl. Using spatula, fold it in until everything is well cooperated. Like this. Take it out on a dusted cutting board and make it into a loaf. Then roll it out in a long bar. Use another cutting board to make it even. It's about 30 centimeters. Wrap it with a plastic film and chill this in the fridge at least 1 hour. I chilled it for a little over 1 hour and it's nice and firm, so it's time to slice and bake. So prepare an oven sheet lined with parchment paper. Remove the plastic film. Slice it into 5 mm thickness. Put them on the oven sheet. Let's bake in the preheated oven. Baked for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, but please adjust the time and the temperature to your oven. Cool it down to room temperature and it's done. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!